If your roof was improperly installed, you'll need to first go to your contractor and see if they, are willing to back that up. If they are not, you can get a hold of the manufacturer. The manufacturer has a keen interest in making sure that the product is installed properly and that they have these good installations out there, because the people might not remember the contractor, but they'll remember the manufacturer. And so the manufacturer can probably point you to a different contractor that could fix those things, tell you what needs to be done, those kinds of things. But the real work begins ahead of time in selecting a contractor that has experience, talking to past references, calling the manufacturer, going off the manufacturer's recommended list of contractors, to make sure that you never have to get to the point where you need to listen to a video on what do you do if your roof was improperly installed.